so she can climb Mount Everest without oxygen when she's 7. She speaks Sherpa and writes everything in Cyrillic.
My little boy is already doing surgery on all the neighborhood cats and dogs. I'm hoping he can perform a heart bypass on me next year. That's going to save us some money.
Parents, are you tired of hearing about someone else's overachieving kid?
Why, yes. Especially when I can't stop my twins from sticking pencils up each other's noses.
Get those unclean pagan babies away from my unique snowflake!
Your worries are over. Kidco Labs is the answer, presenting the Dumbed Down Fogger. With one short blast in the Dumbed Down Fogger, that annoying smarty pants neighborhood kid won't even remember how to tie his $300 Nike shoes. He won an international spelling bee. Level the playing field and classroom with this amazing yet harmless to flowers, grass, or farm animals fog. Now you can call and get 20 ounces of Dumbed Down Fogger for the amazing price of $10 plus $79 shipping and handling. But wait, order now and we'll double your order for free. That's enough Dumbed Down Fogger to last until the second coming. Order now.
I can't wait to get my can of Dumbed Down Fogger.
Well, I just happen to have one with me right now.
Rob.
Right.